In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save shapes and objects as images in PowerPoint quickly and easily. This is incredibly useful if you've created custom graphics, combined multiple shapes into a design, or built visual elements that you want to reuse in other presentations, documents, or even on social media. Instead of recreating everything from scratch, you can simply save it as an image in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important tip. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide that contains the shapes or objects you want to save as an image. These objects can be anything: shapes, icons, text boxes, smart art, images, charts, or even a combination of multiple elements grouped together. Now, the first step is to properly select the objects you want to export. If you only need to save one object, simply click on it once to select it. But in most cases, you'll want to save multiple shapes or elements together as one image. To do that, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. While holding Ctrl, click on each object you want to include. You'll notice that each selected object will show selection handles around it. This means they are now selected together. Take your time here and make sure you've selected everything you need. If you accidentally select the wrong object, just hold Ctrl and click it again to deselect it. Once all the desired shapes and objects are selected, the next step is very simple. Right-click on any one of the selected objects. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for the option that says Save as Picture. Click on Save as Picture. PowerPoint will now open a file dialog window asking where you want to save the image. Choose your preferred location on your computer, such as your desktop, documents folder, or a specific project folder. Next, give your image a name so you can easily find it later. Below the file name field, you'll also see a Save as Type drop-down menu. This is where you can choose the image format. Common options include PNG, JPEG, GIF, TIFF, and sometimes SVG, depending on your version of PowerPoint. If you want high quality with a transparent background, choose PNG. This is usually the best option for graphics and design elements. If you don't need transparency and want a smaller file size, JPEG works well. After choosing your format, click Save. And that's it. Your selected shapes and objects are now saved as a standalone image file. You can insert this image into another PowerPoint presentation, upload it online, use it in Word, or share it anywhere you like. Here's a quick bonus tip. If you plan to reuse the design frequently, you might want to group the objects before saving them. To do that, after selecting all objects using Ctrl, right-click and choose Group, then Group again. This locks them together as one unit, making future edits and exports even easier. Also, keep in mind that the resolution of the exported image depends on your PowerPoint settings. If you need higher resolution images for print or professional use, you may want to adjust PowerPoint's export resolution in the advanced options. So just to quickly recap, open your slide, hold Ctrl and select all the shapes or objects you want, right-click on the selection, choose Save as Picture, select your format, and click Save. That's how simple it is to turn PowerPoint shapes and objects into image files. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy and practical PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.